Nothing like being back in my sunny home state of Queensland, revisiting Tony and Sandie here in the Gap. Now, this place was a bit of an eyesore. Grand from afar, but full of daggy decor. I wonder if the team have managed to bring it into the 21st century. Nothing like a big red roof and an old-fashioned yellow-cream facade to turn buyers away. Wow, white has never looked so good. What a job. A dated timber kitchen didn't do this place any favours. White resurfacing to the rescue, and a very luxurious new stone benchtop, very Hamptons. Everything about this master bedroom screamed the 90s, those wall colours, yikes. This is now the boudoir of an expensive palazzo. Beautiful flooring, lavish window treatments and smart styling. Oh dear, no surprises that the 90s was also well represented in the ensuite. I can see an injection of Shayna's modern touch. Lavish new features with beautiful tiling and a bath that's fit for a queen. For an expensive property, this was not a place for upmarket entertaining, but sleek new furniture and a seriously impressive outdoor kitchen has worked wonders. This tired house has been turned into a stately home. A huge paint job and an upgrade of the kitchen and the master suite have worked an absolute treat. Some big family will be very lucky to call this place home. Time to get it back on the market.